everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly and welcome
to the Metaverse.
Now, for this video I wanted to talk about the Sandbox. I should check out the Twitter
for all the new latest updates.
I kind of wanted to talk about the Sandbox and break down everything, like kind of like the basic fundamentals before actually playing the game, because I have been testing it out a little bit. So when you first log on to the Sandbox website, this is kind of what pops up. You kind of can create your own little avatar. You just got to connect your MetaMask wallet or however it is you want to connect. As you can see right there, a little face review if you guys are interested. And then it's as simple as literally just clicking and entering the lobby. This is kind of like the NFT marketplace. You can also go to OpenSea and kind of look at the assets and stuff that NFTs you guys want to get. It can be anything from avatars or even little accessories like couches and stuff like that, equipment. Some of them can be used for games, others is just more for, you know, just more to as a collectible. In terms of the actual alpha pass, so one thing that I really like that they did different this time compared to their first season. In the first season you needed to have an alpha pass in order to actually play the game, whereas in season 2 you can actually just play for free, so you don't have to spend the, you know, $2,666 just so you can actually just play the game. You have the opportunity to play for free, but it takes a while to unlock more stuff. Or you can get the alpha pass and kind of expedite your rewards and chances of getting, you know, better NFTs and stuff like that. But other than that, you know, it's up to your choice whether you want to pay or you want to just try it out for free and see if it works for you. And this is the create section. So if you're someone who's like a, you know, up and coming developer, or, you know, you see yourself in the future kind of building games for the metaverse, this is kind of like a cool aspect that Sandbox offers, where you can literally create the games for free, do all kinds of adjustments from enemies, components, behaviors, you know, characters, avatars, rules. So you can literally make your own games, and you can even charge or monetize your actual game. It's just kind of like a reward from the Sandbox team, so that way it makes it easier, you know, for people to just get more into the game when, you know, new up and coming developers, you know, produce their own games and content. So it's kind of like a win-win situation on both ends, and if you ask me, because you can create games for free, build and share them, and supposedly it's really easy. And there's also some tournaments that they kind of offer in order for you to earn some sand. So not only are you building the games, even if you were to build them for free, kind of like you do in Minecraft, you could actually monetize them. And we are here on the actual Sandbox Metaverse map. So as you can see, this is their limited quantity amount of land. Everything that you see is green is available and it's, you know, possibly for sale. And obviously anything that's not in the green is already owned by, you know, another entity. So as you can see, you have some Sandbox lands kind of spread throughout. You got Atari, you got The Walking Dead, and kind of having land, you can rent the land just kind of like how you would in real life, or, you know, you can build on top of it, you know, whether you want to build like some hotels or some casinos or games or houses, literally whatever you want. If you want to get specifically on what the actual cost is at the moment, at the time of recording, the floor price is 2.6 Ethereum. So if you want to convert that into actual US dollars, you're looking at $7,807.18. But when you think about it and compare it to actual real estate in real life, you're looking at a couple $100,000. You know, $7,000 doesn't seem too bad, but at the end of the day, you know, you're also buying digital land on the internet, so it's kind of still like a speculation right now, not financial advice. And then basically, just to summarize the Sandbox, as you can see, they state that it's a community driven platform where creators can monetize voxels, which is like these little cute Minecraft characters, and gaming experiences on the blockchain. Obviously they have their partners right here, so as you can see some strong companies that are really you know, engaged and interested and invested in this actual, you know, company,
not financial advice.
And then this is the roadmap that they have built out since 2011. If you guys want to like pause and look at the actual traits and kind of accomplishments and kind of, you know, plans that they have for the future of head, you know, this is I really like it when a project is actually looking forward, you know, years ahead, and what they actually plan to do, and if they're actually, you know, ticking off the things that they're actually accomplishing. Like I said before, they're currently having a raffle ticket system where, you know, at the end of the month, so if you're watching this, you know, the day it uploads, you have a couple days left, you can earn raffle tickets from, you know, completing quests. I've already completed 2. You know, it could be anything as simple as like literally just talk to this character, and then at the end of the month, you know, they're gonna raffle off tickets, and then you could actually win the alpha pass season 2 literally for free, literally just for playing the game. Like I said right here in the ticket section, it literally tells you, you know, in details what you have to do. Literally just doggy avatar, earn by owning this NFT on Raffle Day. That's literally all you have to do. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's Sandbox Alpha Season 2 currently going on right now. It started on March 3rd. Raffle ends on March 31st, and you know, that's when the season ends. So if you're not in it already, I recommend, you know, just playing for free. You know, if you don't want to go all in, you know, it's just something fun. Like I said, really cool. You could potentially win up some sand, literally just free sand. You know, participate in raffles, tickets, interact with other people in the metaverse, do some quests, and overall, you know, just, you know, experience the whole metaverse as a whole. But yeah, that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to give the video a big old thumbs up, give it a 5-star rating, comment down below what's your favorite metaverse project, how far you are into playing the actual game, and if you earned any raffle tickets, or you know, what you think of the overall Sandbox ecosystem. But other than that, make sure to check out the Twitter, where I post all the new NFT purchases and any, you know, crypto news. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.